In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your GoDaddy account username, whether you've outgrown your old username, want something more professional, or just need to tidy up your account details. I'll walk you through each step so you can update it quickly and confidently. First, you'll need to sign in to your GoDaddy account and go to the security page. The easiest way is to log in as you normally would through the main GoDaddy site, then look for your account or profile settings. From there, navigate to the section related to security or login information. This is where GoDaddy keeps options related to your sign-in details, including your username and password. Make sure you're on the official GoDaddy website and that the connection is secure before entering any login information. Once you're on the security page, look for a section labeled Login Information or Account Information. The wording can vary slightly depending on when you're viewing this, but it will be something along those lines. In that section, you should see a field or label called username. This shows your current username, and this is what we're going to change. Now, you'll want to enter edit mode. Depending on your layout, you might see an edit button next to the username field, or you may be able to click directly on the username itself to start editing. Go ahead and click whichever option is available. When you do, the username area will usually turn into an editable text box, letting you type in a new value. Next, type your new username into the field. Take a moment to choose something you're comfortable keeping for a while, since this is tied to your account identity. As you type, keep in mind that GoDaddy typically requires usernames to be between 5 and 50 characters and not include spaces. You can usually use letters, numbers, and sometimes certain symbols, but avoiding spaces is important. If you see an error after entering your new username, don't worry. This usually means one of two things. Either the username is already taken by someone else, or it doesn't meet GoDaddy's format requirements. In that case, try adjusting it slightly. You might add a number, remove any spaces, shorten it if it's too long, or lengthen it if it's too short. Keep tweaking until the error goes away. Once you've entered a valid username and there are no error messages, you're ready to save your changes. Look for a button labeled Save or Update and click it. After a moment, your new username should be saved to your account. It's a good idea to double check that the updated username now appears correctly in your login information or account information section. And that's it. You've successfully changed your GoDaddy account username.